Saturday, 14th November. Up here doing chores at the farm again. Had another load out from this auction. I ended up with 3 people paying for and never showing up to pick up the things they bought at auction. And I contacted the auction company. We're going on 40 days past the pickup date. Real simple. I keep the money and I keep my stuff. So I got $1,000 of free money because people simply won't show up to pick up what they bought at auction. Got the tack installed, the new tack installed on this little tractor, 5203. Got 0.8 of an hour on it. Woohoo! Hard to see. You walk around, get out of the glare maybe. Anyway, it works just like it's supposed to. All the indicator lights work. Hour meter works. Already got 0.8 of an hour on it today, just farting around. There you can see it there. So that's taken care of. And got out my little Coochie chainsaw. Tried it out. It ain't a steel, but it cuts wood. Strange little thing about it, you don't use bar and chain oil. You use 30 weight or 10W30 on the bar, standard premix. And I'll start it up and show it to you, but I can't do it one-handed. Maybe I'll put the camera down and give it a try. Hold on. $129 chainsaw, it ain't terrible. Don't have a push button bowl thing. Still got the old school choke. Got a stop switch over here. Just regular old premix. I use about 2.5 ounces per gallon of good oil. But yeah, not really disappointed at all on that. It cut. So, one thing left to do today, put the side shields back on the bulldozer. Been on my list of things to do. Oh, I was going to go over why the injection pump failed. Hold on. Alright. Brand new fuel lift pump. Brand new fuel filter. This is a Standardine injection pump, rebuilt by John Deere. Comes with a warranty to 2-year warranty, looks like, till 9/22. So, why'd the other one fail? Fuel fill here, fuel tank. The vent for the fuel tank is behind this panel, and it's got a little filter to keep the dust from getting into the fuel tank. So, damn bug plugged up the end of that vent. I pulled the fuel tank into a vacuum, starved the lift pump for fuel, starved the injection pump for fuel, and Standardine injection pumps do not forgive no fuel condition. So in just a couple revolutions, that pump ate itself. Took a while to figure all this out. Anyway, finally found that plugged fuel tank vent. And the way I found the indication when I pulled the inlet to the lift pump, the line going to the lift pump was in a vacuum. Well, son of a gun. And it took some more digging around, but by the time I got it all figured out, cleared the vent, got a new lift pump put on, the injection pump was already thrashed. So that's what happened to the dozer, and a mere $2,389 later, I got a John Deere rebuilt Standardine injection pump. Most irritating. All because of a damn bug. Now I've got a screen on that vent inlet, so the bug can't get in there again. Well, at least I learned my lesson. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.